Today I want to talk about Emacs org modes agenda file. Now, if you want, you can have multiple agenda files, and you should have, I think, a couple of files, couple of agenda files that you can, of course, manage in your org mode. You can always modify your .emacs file where you can add maybe a couple of those .org files. But do you really need like 5 or 6 files? When I started using org mode long back, I started with multiple files. So basically I was using a file for each and every project. So at any given time in my org mode, I was including 6 or 7 files. Now there was nothing wrong with that, but after using this technique for a few years, I realized that using one file to keep track of most of my work is more efficient for me. I do have some other files, like whenever I have to capture something, I have inbox.org, and for my recurring task, let us say if I need to be reminded of a specific task that I need to do every month or I need to do every year, I have a separate file for that. But along with these two files, I have a main.org file. And as of right now, I don't really have a fourth file. So this particular approach works efficiently for me, because when I have a single file, I can manage my tags easily. I can take a look at all the projects. And to be honest, whenever you're working on something, you can't possibly manage multiple things, multiple projects at the same time. If you're doing that, then I think that is something wrong. And when I have one file open with different headings for different projects, I can also move tasks between these headers. Of course, you can do that when you have different files. You can always move a task from one header to a different header in a different file. You can always refile your activities. But when you have everything within a single file, you will realize that you have a view of what you need to do at just one place. So I think this is the approach that I will probably settle. And as I mentioned before in the beginning, you can try whatever approach you think works for you. If you think you need multiple files, multiple org files, you can definitely do that. I also did that, but after using org mode with multiple files, with too many files, I was looking for a way to further improve my workflow, and I was looking for some improvements. And I think having 3 org files, 3 org files work really best for me. So this is something that I just wanted to quickly mention today, that don't be afraid to experiment with your org mode agenda files. Try multiple files, but don't create multiple files just for the sake of it. You can definitely manage it within 1 or 2 files if you want. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.